अब चलते हैं एकदम फ्यूचर रेडी सेक्शन की तरफ। ये है ड्रोन स्टॉल्स। दोस्तों यहाँ आपको मिलेगा लेटेस्ट ड्रोन्स जो सिर्फ उड़ान नहीं भरते बल्कि हाईटेक कैमरास के साथ ज़बरदस्त फ़ोटोज़ और वीडियोस भी क्लिक करते हैं। देखिए कितनी स्मूथ और स्टेबल फ्लाइंग है इनकी, किस तरह से टेक्नोलॉजी ने क्रिएटिविटी को एक नया लेवल दे दिया है। फार्मिंग से लेकर फिल्मिंग, डिलीवरी से लेकर सर्वेलेंस, हर फील्ड के लिए एक अलग अलग ड्रोन्स अवेलेबल है और यहाँ सब लाइव डेमो भी देखने को मिल रहा है। सो आप अपने डाउट्स यही क्लियर कर सकते हैं।
Hello, my name is Ritu and we are from Unilactic, and over here today in Drone Expo we are offering a range of products starting from FPV to Kamikaze, and these are all our products, and we serve in surveillance, logistics.
टेक लवर्स के लिए ये सेक्शन एक मस्ट विजिट है। रेडी टू विटनेस द ड्रोन रेवोल्यूशन। चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं और देखते हैं और क्या सरप्राइजेस है यहाँ पर।
Myself Shreya Pathare, and the company that I'll be talking about is the UAV Academy. So UAV, that's UA, it has manufacturing, like it manufactures drones. Okay, not just it's stuck with manufacturing part, but it also has its own academy. The branches for the academy are at Kalyan. Okay, so now we have defense system drones here. Also now we have hopped on for agricultural drones. Agricultural drones we have right there. That is Balram 1 and Balram 2. So what agricultural drones are about is like now we need to take care of the farmers as well, right? Because we need to reduce the human power that is required for agriculture. So they sprinkle water, fertilizers, pesticides, etc. They help us with the fields. Now talking about the defense drones. The defense drones here are mentioned all over here. Okay. Now talking about the academy. The academy provides courses ranging from 15 to 45 days. Okay, now according to your likabilities and your eligibilities, they'll be providing you with courses.
Okay,
Now all these.
I have a question.
Yeah.
Is your company only deals with the making, or it's also with the distribution?
Distribution as well. I would like to add on that the authorities here are very much patriotic. Okay, now their patriotism showed up that they have sold the drones to military as well. Like the drones that are manufactured here are specially taken care of, and these defense drones are sent to the military.
Hi, my name is Ravi Yadav. I'm a founder of Mira Aerospace. So we deal in end-to-end GIS solution. We have hardware, payloads, and the respective software to process all those data. So we manufacture drones also, but all the payloads are from outside. So like we give our solution to drone manufacturers and mapping companies. So we have done with like multiple top renowned companies like Map My India and Adani's. So we have a very big portfolio with us, from LiDAR payloads to aerial, thermal, multispectral, RGB. We have pretty much all the things required in the GIS field. RGB is just like a simple camera, but like this will provide you coordinates with that, XYZ, latitude, longitude and altitude. So what you can do is like you can stitch all the images coming from it and make one big ortho mosaic map. These drones are useful in like multiple civil projects to inspect drones. It is used for road inspection, highways, power lines, mining to calculate volume of stockpile.
So hi, I am Sonal Koth. I am from Sri Rapid Technologies, and Sri Rapid Technologies is basically about 3D printing, and we cater to 3D printers and 3D printing services, and our OEMs are from international, global, so you can say from US, China. We have multiple OEMs, and we do deal in multiple technologies, SLA, SLS, MGP. Also we cater to industries like automotive, aerospace, as well as jewelry, dental and many others. So in case you have you want to transform your manufacturing process from conventional to 3D printing, so you can contact us for that.
Okay.
So we don't launch it, we are resellers. So we have our OEMs, they launch it. So currently there are many. So Race 3D is coming with a couple of E23 and RMS kind of models. There is Zeiss who is coming with a 3D scanner that scans a particular model automatically. So those are the few kind of technologies that are currently coming into the market. So people who are interested can cater it.
Okay. Perfect.
Yeah, hi, my name is Dev and the company's name is Helios Dynamic. So currently we are developing three kind of products. First one, as you see, is the Strike, which is a hazard detection drone. So basically it will help army to detect hazards like landmines, IEDs, plastic explosives on the ground. It has a sensor array system which will detect those hazards and then notify us that on the dashboard. So this is another product that it is there. This is a hazard detection system. It's not a drone. It can be mounted on your AUV, on your ATV, basically on the ground as well as underwater. And thirdly is the neutralization system that we are working on. Once the hazards are detected, we can utilize it by either destructing the entire landmine also with a remote distance or by clearing it. So we have started just 6 months back, but I am into the drone field since now 6 years. I am a medium certified instructor, DGCA certified, and I'm also a member of Aeronautical Society of India, where I represent drone industry. Currently, I have just visited this Drone Expo. I was seeing different stalls. I see a lot of flight controllers coming into the picture, where people were importing the flight controllers, the main brain, the main processor of the drone. But now I see there are lots of flight controllers over here, which is a very good thing. The next thing what I would like to see is more of GPS, Navi based GPS, because we want our constellations and our positions to be inside India and not outside. We are using outside GPS is Galileo and Baidu, which is something we need to eliminate.
Perfect.
Hi, my name is Ashish Podar and I'm running two companies here. One is Aeroscan and the other is Skylight. So Aeroscan is actually in the surveying and mapping space, where we use drones to provide these GIS solutions. And Skylight is in the entertainment space, where we're doing drone light shows for events, weddings, corporate product launches, and so on and so forth. So we aren't making any products itself, we're doing processing of data. So we use the drones to collect data, and then we basically process and provide these insights to our clients. So right now we've been working on city modeling projects. Yeah. So we basically fly the drone around the city, however many square kilometers, and then build a 3D model out of that, so that urban planning departments have a better insights on the city itself.
I'm Lieutenant Manpreet, and I'm presently working with SPH Aviation Private Limited, which is an associate company of ABP International. So we are a drone manufacturing company, and so we have basically three verticals. One is drone manufacturing and sales to the defense. The second is skilling and training part, where we have different verticals and different sets of training we are providing. We have collaboration with different universities, and the third is the Drone Planet. So Drone Planet is something which is a marketplace or an aggregator for all the component manufacturers, for the drone manufacturers who are there across India, and also we have our RPTO support and training. So as you can see, we also provide DGCA approved remote pilot training, which is, and we as SPH Aviation, we have the largest network across India for the remote pilot. Okay, for RPTO trainings, so under the drone training we provide two different type of training. One is the piloting training and one is the drone technician. So piloting training is generally a course of, which is the DGCA approved course, which is generally of 5 days, and also some are courses of 15 days, depending on what kind of a training you are requiring, small, medium, has different categories of training which is there. With respect to drone technician training, again, that curriculum different, which also requires around 15 days of training time. So in this particular training time, we have some online classes or some virtual classes that can be done. Theory classes for 2 to 3 days, and then we give a hands-on experience to the drone, where a DGC approved pilots are there, which trains all these students which comes to this such kind of a training.
Hi Rashid, I am Rishabh from Carbon Light Private Limited. Actually, we are the manufacturer of carbon fiber composite products. Like the basically we can start with the carbon fiber tubes. You see the quality of our tubes and our carbon fiber sheet. This is the basic product. So by using this product we can manufacture the whole structure of the carbon fiber drone. Actually, these are the carbon fiber material, and by using this product, we use to manufacture the structure of the drone. Like this is the raw material of manufacturing the drone. So this is the tube. It is used in manufacturing the arms of the drone, and for landing gears, we are using so much different types of tubes for different ID and ODs. So we help the full structure of the drone. This is the battery box. This is used in hanging the battery on this. Yeah, agriculture startups and agricultural drone manufacturer companies. Right. We are supplying this type of structure. The new product is for VTOL type application, like the fixed wing drones, and is our some launching tubes and everything for drone applications. Actually, the message is not the farming equipment manufacturer companies. We can provide the fully indigenous product and fully indigenous solution, and our quality, our customer relationship, and our consistency in product delivery system, all of them are supporting the new startup. Some students who want to become a startup in drone manufacturing industry. So we can provide this type of product, and we are helping the startup and helping the manufacturer.
Hi, I'm Sheeraj from Saubai Aerial Systems. We make drone parachutes for drones. So this is our 25 kg system. So when you put our parachute in any of the drone, so basically what happens is at a particular altitude, in case your motors or some other ESCs fail, our system basically detects that detects the anomaly of the drone, like the chaotic movements, and basically it deploys a parachute to safeguard your drone.
Alright.
So we incorporated our company this year, but we have been working on this since the past 2 years.
2 years?
Yeah. So if you take out all the flight hours, 1 in 1 or 3 flight hours, there is an accident happening. So in that accident, a lot of losses is happening. Either it's a person getting injured, or money loss, or cameras are very costly, and most of the important thing, it should not hurt someone, or they should not lose their life over it. So that's how one of the main targets. We don't want that to happen. We want to safeguard it. We want it to be a airbag for basically like what airbags are for vehicles, four-wheelers. We want our systems to be such a system for the drones.
So my name is Himanshu Solanki and we are from Ahmedabad, and our company name is Mega Research Private Limited. So we are basically providing customized chassis design solution and OEM solution for different categories like 3 inch, 4 inch to up to 10 inch in the drone. So basically these are the carbon fiber chassis, and we manufacture is in-house in our Ahmedabad facility. Which is, there are different applications as per the customers. As you can see that there is camera field, so you can use it for the racing or any video for photographic purposes. You can do it.
Understand.